Stop. All right. So we're going to start here with group A. God, go away, kitty. We're going to start with group A. And probably the quickest, easiest thing to do is to go here to the kits. This looks pretty cool, 1960s Compton kit. So it's going to start out already with a pattern there. I usually like to cut it out and start with my own. So easiest thing to do, hit the pad. You know, you get the sounds you want, usually a kick and a snare or whatever. Turn on the metronome and press play. I'll hit record. And I'll wait till it comes around here and start over. Okay, so you can turn off record, and then on the pad you hit shift quantize, and that'll clean it up a little bit, as you can see here. There we go. Alright, so now we can turn off the metronome. We don't need that anymore. We're going to add a group B1, and now we're going to look through, like, maybe find a bass sound. Usually I'll have my M-Audio keyboard hooked up for this, but just for the sake of doing it this way, I'm going to show you if you don't have that M-Audio keyboard. Alright, let's go a little lower for the bass sounds. So let's make it a little longer. And just for some depth. Alright, so that sounds pretty cool. We've got our bass line, basic beat. Now we can add another group. And we'll go here to the different sounds. Let's just grab something random. See what this sounds like. Go to the piano. So scroll back. Yeah, just throw some random stuff in there. And then, of course, you can hit the plus button, or you can go control left mouse click and duplicate. And then to deselect, see how this is white here and this is white here, you just double click, make it start over, so go from the beginning, just play that loop. And if you want to just play the loop, you double click, just like that, and then these sides are both white again. So you can just keep on adding sounds here, or you can go in and, like, let's say that we want to change this sound, then you can click here and go to pattern 2 and create a new pattern, and then just go get crazy with it. So if you want to delete that, you can just make sure that's selected and hit delete, and it's gone. So now we're going to press that button again, and I mean, it's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. I know I probably didn't narrate it the best right there, but you know, that's how you get started with your beat. and we'll move into some more complicated stuff, and we'll add some more. I'll show you what I'm doing on the pad too, but basically that's what you can do from just the computer, mainly with Native Instruments. And there you go.